We were keen to get involved with Warrington Wolves. We're a Warrington-based company. Sunbelt Rental is part of Ashtead Group. Ashtead Group's a UK PLC, and our headquarters are in Warrington. Lots of our employees and many of our customers are Warrington Wolves fans, and we felt that it was important to give something back to the local community, and it was great that we had the opportunity to sit down and agree what that might look like in terms of sponsorship, and I think the results are very impressive. Well, as market leader here in the UK, we have a very strong ESG sort of approach to the way we do business. What we mean by that is we're very involved in the communities that we operate. We've got nearly 200 locations around the UK, and we're a local employer in all of those areas. Warrington being our head office, it's critical to us that we work with companies, like-minded businesses, like-minded sporting facilities that want to be involved in some of those community areas. And when I met with Carl and we talked about the sponsorship here, what was clear was that Warrington Wolves do some incredible work in terms of that, the foundation here in terms of mental health, learning and physical disability, etc. And we were really keen to be part of that and to support that and to help that process. Yeah, we're working really hard on improving the diversity in our business, whether that be in terms of male or female diversity, but also racial, sexual diversity, something that we're particularly keen to develop. We want our business to reflect real life, and you can only do that by a very, very diverse workforce. It's also important that if you want your business to perform well and be the best it can be, you've got to reflect the businesses and the communities that you work in.